uptight and restive. It's not just a date, but a date with the crown prince. I am so happy for you. You should be happy, not frowning.
See, I can't see myself looking happy about it.
Why? Do you know most girls can give their liver or kidney just to go on a date with the prince of Iselu Kingdom? You have no idea how jealous I am right now.
Chinelo, I guess you should go in my place and represent me. I believe the prince will be happy to have you instead. Since you want me to go.
You know that's not possible. Because I was with you the day we met him at the function. He showed interest in you, particular. Now, he asks you for a date. A date with a crown prince. Here. My dear, you are serving a living God indeed.
You know, if it's not for his position as a crown prince, I won't be bothering myself dressing up to go see him. You know, and I'm not ready for any relationship with any man now. I need to build myself, Chinelo. I need to work on myself. I don't know, I am fucked up.
You are not ready to be in a relationship with any man. Reverend Sister Urena, that's who you are. Hi! I don't blame you at all. Eh? Because people wey get nyash, they know they ever sabi sit down.
Meanwhile, how do I look?
Turn your back.
How do I look now?
You covered up too much. Yes. Losing up a bit, you are going to see a young man, a prince for that matter, dressed like this, as if you are going to see a reverend father. Oh, Urena.
So I should dress up half naked because I'm going to see a prince.
Urena, this is a lifetime opportunity. Don't miss it. Use your brain, oh. Use your brain. I have said my own.
It's okay. Don't come out a big.
We are going like this. Hey, which kind Reverend Sister why they live with? You are going to see a prince dressed like this. Hey, if not me, oh God, if not me, I go just wear that my pink dress. We get rope for back with a bra. Wahala. Hey. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. I see what it is.
Mercy. Fine girl.
What is it?
What are you doing here?
Why are you running back? You saw me immediately, you started running. What's pursuing you?
Running to where? I forgot something. I said make I go carry on.
What's that thing? What are you hiding behind?
What is that?
Dimba. Bring it out! Bring it out!
What?
What's here? Bring it out!
Okay, this wine. Now this wine.
Dimba,
Now wine.
where did you bring this expensive wine from?
Where again I go?
Hey!
Inside palace.
Igwe! Igwe!
Hey!
There is a thief in the palace!
Hey.
You stole it!
I stole it.
Isudia!
You know they shouting now. Why are you shouting?
Eh.
Why are you shouting? I just see, my dear. I just go inside, go collect the wine. Maybe you take do small merriment.
Eh.
So we can wine and dine.
Dimba, if you know where you brought that thing from, take it back now.
Take what?
Take it back!
Why are you shouting? Why are you raising your voice? See Igwe and his wife, they are here now. Next thing they will now hear your voice and think I stole something.
Before
I think where you go call this thing?
you stole it. Please, I don't care whether they hear or not. It's none of my business. Take it back.
See.
Dimba, take it back!
They shout too. My baby, melt your heart, eh? Melt your heart. See what you will do now. Just go now, go and get cup, wash it well. make I bring chair, keep here. Me and you, that wine and dine.
Yeah.
No be only rich man supposed to drink this thing.
Not true.
Even a poor man can still wine.
Yeah, you are right. You are right. I should go and get cup.
Get
yeah?
better cup.
Don't worry, I'm coming. I'll be back.
No waste time. I'll be fine.
But for your information, stop calling me baby. I'm not your baby.
You are not my baby.
Don't worry. Let me get the cup.
Okay. My amusu, go and bring cup. No vex, go. No vex. You say make I no call you baby.
I'm coming.
Amusu, go get cup. Can you imagine? Wine. See, how much is this wine, sir? 52,000. What is in 52,000 naira wine that I cannot drink? Can you imagine? See, we've been eating before the meeting. Even without the meeting, we can still be eating. Call us animal, we still be mating. Can you imagine? 52,000. You are calling me eating. I don't want.
I'm ready for us to talk now.
No, Dad. I have a date.
I promise I won't take much of your time.
You don't understand, Dad. Like I'm on a date. I can't keep a beautiful girl waiting.
For the past 2 weeks, I've been trying for us to have a heart-to-heart talk. But you keep avoiding me. Giving excuses. Why?
That's because I'm tired of your troubles. You keep judging me, forgetting that I'm old enough to take my own decisions.
It's all right. Can you give me one wise decision you have ever made? All you do is to get yourself into trouble while I run around to bail you out every now and then.
Dad, listen. No matter how you try, I can't start behaving like you. Do you let me do me? Okay? You have your life. You've chosen the path and how you want to live it. I will live my own life the way I choose. No this and no peace.
Kwesi, when did you start having this temerity to talk to me anyhow?
Because I'm tired of you seeing me like a baby. You talk as if I'm a child. Have you forgotten my age? Do you let me do me? Everybody's fine.
Okay. Let's try and resolve it. I apologize if I ever hurt you. Let's talk like men. Okay?
Excuse me, Dad.
Let's talk like. Go easy. It has got into this, walking out on me.
You feel okay?
My prince, what are we doing here?
Are you a baby? We are here to play. Relax, Oja is what I will do here. We are in a hotel, in a man's room, and you're asking, what are we here to do? You be JJC, we are here to pray. Relax now. The bar is crowded, and you said you want nothing. So it's better we come here and get down to business. Capish?
Business?
Uh-huh.
What business are you talking about? Huh? I don't understand.
What business do they do in hotels? Oh, wait.
Prince, what are you doing with my shoes? Stop it!
You try to stop it.
I don't understand.
Listen, I hate drama. I am not a fan of it. If you want me to hate you, just dramatize. I don't get time for all these ones. Let's make love now. What's all this? Why are you acting funny? Are you Sister Cynthia?
Please, I can't do it. Is that why you called me on a date?
You can't do it. For your information, I am the crown prince of Iselu Kingdom. No woman has ever said no to me, and it won't start today. You won't be the first. Do you understand?
I do not care about your wealth. I don't! Besides, I'm not a prostitute. And I'm not the type that throw my body at you because you're a prince.
Okay, no problem. You're already in my room, whether you're a prostitute or not. Just let me enjoy your soft bonbon, eh? I'm tired of talking.
Let me be.
Come on, please. Stay over, please. Come on, please. Open this thing. Open the gate.
No.
I no go comot the price 52,000. Say we dey stand for gate no mean say we no fit dey chop like big gate. Who dey? Na men dey run am. No land am the way. Ebe anyị n'ala o, ọ dịghị mgbe ị ga-ahụ anya mmiri n'ebe ahụ. Naanị ọṅụ, ọṅụ, ọṅụ. Na so! No land am n'igwe. Ebe anyị n'ala o, ọ dịghị mgbe ị ga-ahụ anya mmiri n'ebe ahụ. Naanị ọṅụ, ọṅụ, ọṅụ. Hey!
My queen,
Jesus.
this is the palace thief.
Jesus.
Onyoshi.
I'm sorry, my queen. I'm sorry.
How dare you? How dare you?
Madam, I'm sorry. See, the one, it don't expire. See the number. This one don't expire, no good.
You are an idiot and you are fired.
Hey, madam. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Madam, even if you want to fire me, use better thing. Use something where they're tangible. This one, no.
Is it the queen you are talking to like that? She said you are fired.
Mommy, I'm sorry. This one no reach. I beg.
Dimba, you have 5 minutes to pack your things and get out of this palace.
Hey, Jesus.
Idiots.
Hello, mommy.
Onyoshi.
Hello.
Shut up. 5 minutes. Pack your things out of this house. You are begging the queen to forgive you. See,
Hey.
I will personally tell the queen not to forgive you. Because one day you will steal the queen and the king out of this palace. Onyoshi, stop stealing, you will not agree.
No, if you
Onyoshi.
talk finish, just go. This one pass you.
You are the one that will leave this palace. So 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to leave this palace.
Just-
Now pack your thing, move this way.
Just go. You don't do your worst. This situation is bigger than you.
Onyoshi,
Hello,
match
ma.
it. Onyoshi, come.
Mommy. Mommy.
I don't know say virgin still dey this campus. Do more bad. Try you. Keep it up, eh? Keep it up.
I made a vow with my God
Oh.
that the only man that will define me is my lovely wedded husband.
God propose, man dispose now.
But you wrote it.
When they speak English, then you should be grateful to your stars that a prince, not only a prince, the richest prince, is the one who is virgin you. Now history now. One local boy is virgin you now, so be grateful. You see that money? Take am. I will call them and they book you again. I enjoyed you, so we need to repeat this, okay?
I curse
Have a nice
you. For that reason, I curse you.
I remember who caused that first.
I curse you for eternity, Prince of his eternal kingdom. Believe you me, I
We
will
know the
come to
cost.
this-
We know the cost. Everybody get that cost. Idiot. Because you know what thank God say I touch you. Idiot comparison.
Only one, sir. But then you go fight touch. What waiting for her? Jesus. Igwe. Your Highness. Your Highness. Igwe. My Lord. Your Majesty. My Lord. Your Majesty. Oginekwa. Oginekwa. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Ha! Queen! Your Highness. Hey! 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 Yeah, my queen. Come and see.
Igwe, get my phone, get my phone, get my phone. Get my phone, Igwe.
Make I check. Make I give him PPR. Make I give him PPR.
Get my phone, magic. Igwe.
Make I check him pulse.
Igwe. Get my phone, magic. Magic, give me my phone. Give me. Doctor, please come to the house. I don't know what is wrong with Igwe. He's on the floor. Please come to the house, doctor, please. Please be fast. Igwe.
My pain.
Igwe.
My pain.
Igwe.
My pain. Impulse don't go. Impulse don't go.
Call the guards.
Hey! Chicken!
Call him.
Chicken! Don't around. Chicken!
Hello, Ma, I want to clean the room. Ma, are you okay? Ma? Jesus! Manager!
Pick your call for Christ's sake. Pick your call this week. Pick your call. Pick your call now. Pick your call. What is... Very good.
Doctor, please, talk to me. Is he going to be okay? Eh? Say something now, doctor, please. Say something.
I'm sorry, my friend. We lost him.
No. Doctor, no, that's not true. Igwe, open your eyes, Igwe, open your eyes. Igwe. Ah! Okay, Igwe, please. Igwe, please open your eyes. Don't do this to me, Igwe, don't do this to me. Igwe, don't do this to me. Please, Igwe, I cannot have you crazy alone, please. Please, Igwe, wake up. Igwe, wake up.
She's dead.
Yeah, one thing I just found out like this. God.
What happened?
happened, my prince?
I just forcefully made love to her. You know as they go now, normal level. I don't know saying of you mobile.
Hi. God.
While leaving, she started saying I lay curse on you, blah blah blah. So out of anger, I rugged and small, but I don't know say she go pass out.
Okay, my prince, just relax. I promise you I will take care of this mess.
Listen, I don't want to go to jail. My name is at stake. Can you handle this?
My prince, trust me on this. I will do my best to clear this mess.
Maybe it's either you butcher her and flush her down, or you wrap her and dispose her maybe into a river. Just you must not leave any traces behind.
No, we don't need to do that, but just trust me. I will do everything possible within my power to make sure this ends here. It will just be between you and I.
My name is at stake.
I know, my prince.
I will reward you once you clean this up.
I trust you.
Okay. Leave no traces behind.
My prince, I will give you my best.
We need to go back.
Go back and do what? What if she's hiding somewhere? Say we should go back.
Guy, we don't try. We need to go back. We need to go back. I beg.
I don't understand. Go back and tell Oga what? To tell him that we lost the girl or what? I don't understand. No. You need to go. Let's go and find the girl.
We don't try. Say we don't try you. I don't tire since morning I never chop. And the portion up and down. You tell me say make I don't go back. I don't tire. I won't go back.
Guy, you never shop since morning. Eh? If not that you are here talking. If I don't catch this girl by now, guy, I'm not there with you.
Guy, tell her anything. Anything we like, tell her. I never chop at the pursue person. I don't try. If you don't want to go back, go pursue her. Go pursue her, go find her.
Ejike, you never shop. You never shop, Abi. If not that you are here talking, if I don't catch this girl by now.
Yeah, I'm robber. Don't they call me?
I wonder why the Crown Prince is nowhere to be found. In a time like this, huh? Kebo Garaga.
The queen said he is not picking his calls.
He will be back soon.
The day has turned into night, night into day. Our great Iroko has fallen.
Hey! A man loved by his people and the people of other kingdoms.
Odogu Ana, an embodiment of wisdom. A sage is gone.
What can you bear? The pride of our kingdom is gone.
Hey! I don't know where to start. Honestly, I'm gonna maybe someone that I had meeting with this morning, and we agreed to attend a function by the weekend.
Oh.
Huh? Just like that. Ife melo.
Hey!
Alo melo. Huh? Hey!
Hey! Igwe, oh, Igwe, hey, Okigwe Sina, Okigwe Sina,
Also cry. So the rich also cry. What is this one doing? Lele, you are crying. Can you imagine? They cry.
I will not cry. Did you not hear what is happening in the palace? Igwe is dead.
Who are you telling me that one as news or what? Am I not among the people that carried him into the car before he died in the hospital? Eh? Lele, you want to tell me? Let me warn you. You see this Igwe that just died now? Hmm? The best thing you need to do now, the best thing where you go do for yourself. Immediately Igwe, they bury Igwe, prepare. Because the next grave where we go dig na you. Na your own grave.
It's your own grave.
You say?
It's your own. You are the one that will die.
I've told you now. And then Igwe immediately I die again now.
Yeah, Ogenwa.
You see this embarrassment you caused me today? Eh? Prepare. Immediately Igwe and I do Igwe na Labam Pegi. Once we finish the burial of Igwe, the next burial is your own. You see this embarrassment you caused me today? This embarrassment you caused me today, eh? I will deal with you and make you show a banana. You must enter ground.
You are the one that will enter. You are the bet you. You will enter ground.
You bet me.
Yes.
Okay.
You will enter ground. Please. Pico, leave this place. Leave here. Let me mourn my Igwe in peace. Let me mourn my Igwe. Pico.
Can you imagine? This is how you know fake people. The people that their father died, nobody is crying there. They are all doing like this. And that's them. That is how you know people that are feeling original pain. All of them are doing But in occasion, you open your mouth and shedding crocodile tears up and down. But immediately after this burial, I will start.
It's your own. You are the one that will die. You are the one.
You will see. Next cry now is your own death.
Don't come here again. That's why you cannot cry. Don't worry.
Who knows the kind of enjoyment this girl is into with the prince of Iselu kingdom? Yeah. I did talk to her. She did do body like say the thing not the sweeter. See now, she never come back. Urena, if you dare come back to this house without buying me goodies, I will chase you back. Yes. Yes. Because I was the one that encouraged you to go there. This girl. Oringo Gebuya is your. Hey!
What nonsense are you talking about? What do you mean you lost her? Huh? Was she with any guards?
No, sir.
Then how come you lost her? No, you should have told me that you boys are now incompetent and pathetic.
Sorry, sir.
You're very stupid. Now listen to me. I give you 48 hours. 48 hours to capture that girl. Nonsense.
But boss. Oh, shit. Eh? Yeah, what are we going to do? Ejike, our access is on the line here. Yeah. Bro, my ass no did the line. My nyash no even did the line. Yeah? What do you want me to do? If you ask me that question, what do you want me to answer you? You think it is very easy to capture a girl like that? Guy, what are you talking about? What are you even saying? A girl without no guard. It's so shameful that we couldn't even get this girl. So shameful, guy. Bro, be like say you know they see well. That girl no dey ordinary. Can't you see the way she was running? That girl no dey ordinary. Even if say Oga come out, come follow us pursue am, Oga no go even capture am. So make Oga no dey give us 24 hours. Guy, let's go and get this girl. If not, our life is at risk. Guy, let's go and get nobody. No, my life no dey at risk. Only your life, oh. I go just resign.
Come here.
Sir?
Ma, come here. What kept you? You kept me waiting. Why?
Sir? Okay, sir.
What kept you?
Sir, I've been taking sleeping medicine. I know the two sleep, so I take sleeping medicine. I've been there here, they sleep that time.
You took sleeping medicine?
Yes.
So you were sleeping? Okay. Sleep more. Enjoy your sleep. Let's lie down. Pick pin.
Sir, what's in the pig pin?
Stay like that. You stay here for 4 hours.
Sir?
You stay here for 4 hours. Why is everybody moody? What is going on here?
Okay, sir. Your father is gone.
Excuse me.
He's gone.
My father is gone now. My father is gone. Gods of our land. Why would you allow two horrible things to happen in a day?
My prince, did anything happen again?
Ana Juyeri, is my father's death not bad enough? Okay. It's okay.
shit, guy. Eh? What are we going to tell Oga now? What are we going to tell this man?
My brother, there's nothing we can do again. Eh? We cannot do anything. We have to go back and plan again. I don't feel do anything again. I'm hungry. We no plan well. No plan well.
Can't plan again. I don't understand. Eh? How are we going to see this girl next time? We need to find this girl today.
I don't know. I'm hungry.
I don't want to get trouble.
If you like, make it dey trouble. Wetin matter now? Where we fit see Mama put? Buy chop. Before Oga go kill us, make we chop. Guy, make we dey go, make we dey go. Guy, dey hungry, dey hungry.
I thought I've lost you.
Mom, I was so scared. They had guns. They wanted to kill me.
What is this kingdom turning into? And who would want to harm the princess of his same kingdom?
My darling, I'm glad you are safe and back to us. God knows I couldn't have survived 1 more loss.
Mom, did you say lost? Who did we lose? Talk to me. Brother, where is father? Where is the king?
Father is God.
Father is what?
Lost.
No! 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 You for eternity, Prince of this kingdom. Believe you me, I will
not the cost. Guy, Alpha, have you disposed her? Thanks, man. I owe you one. Thank you very much. I'm not fine. My dad just died. Yes. Later.
All my plans are gone, all my dreams are shattered because of you.
Hello. Ima, how far now? My dear, sorry, I want to ask you something. I beg you, see Urena. Hey, she left the house since yesterday. She's not yet back. Yes. My dear, I have been trying to call her phone line. She's not picking her calls. Just this morning, I tried it again, but it switched off. I don't know what to do again. Huh? Okay. It's fine. Thank you so much. We'll talk later. All right. could she have gone with the prince? This is unlike Brenna.
The spirit is angry, you must confess. This is no longer funny at all. The spirit is restless. The spirit is angry. No hiding place for you. Email alone. Keep up work. Boy feel on the no. Cherema de royal. Cherema de royal. Now the sky is dark.
Is this not blood? This is blood stain. Could it be that the prince injured himself yesterday? Where prince can go carry blood from?
The level of insecurity in this community is becoming alarming, and something has to be done as fast as possible. So assemble all the security chiefs. I need to talk to them.
It's okay, my prince. You see, the enemy struck, but I thank God they did not succeed against our princess. Honestly, I thank the gods.
Yeah, that's why I want you to summon the security chiefs.
First and foremost, if I whatever that has fallen into the stream, you use your feet to search for it, not hands, not eyes. We have to consult the gods.
That's the more actually go do. You and that your gods should wait first. We're talking about a fiscal matter here, insecurity, that needs fiscal attention. You're talking about the gods. Everything is not the gods, the gods.
My prince, you are blaspheming.
Ezemo, you make more sense when you're not talking. Everything is not the gods' issue. Since that you've been consulting the gods, what have they done? We are talking about something fiscal, that needs fiscal tackling and combat. They are talking about the gods, people that died many centuries ago.
What they have done is this. They have been caring for us. They have been protecting us. They have been guiding us. They have been blessing us. The ways of the gods are not the ways of men. And no one dares the gods. The ways of the gods cannot be ignored. That is not possible. They have been the ones keeping us alive, protecting us all this while.
Listen, like I said, I want to have a meeting with all the security chiefs in this land. Arrange that as fast as possible. Now listen real good. When my father was alive, he accepted all that. This is your archaic way of reasoning. Once I become king, I will trash all that. I won't concur to this, your style. Okay? I'm telling you that these boys are attacking us physically. We need to pursue people with guns, with bigger guns. I'm talking about the guns. Even you know the guns. Even you know the guns. Don't get me angry.
Why are you challenging the gods?
Ezemo, I will appreciate it if you don't talk again. This meeting is over. Arrange for the meeting.
Yes, my prince. Someone meeting our Basago.
He wore this yesterday?
Yes, my queen. The more reason I am surprised. Are you sure he did not hurt himself?
Well, I will verify from him. Thanks for bringing this to my notice. Go and wash it off.
Okay, my queen, thank you.
I'm fine, Mom.
Good morning, how are you?
Very well. How was your night?
And yours?
Very well. I had a great night.
Greetings, my princess.
Oh, greetings, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
And how was your night?
It was fine. So what would you want for breakfast? Let me quickly make it for you.
Oh, I see. Well, you don't have to worry. Yes. Once I'm hungry, I will fix it.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, my
far
princess.
rest, okay? Okay. Why are you staring at me like that?
You will never stop to amaze me. You still have it in you, even staying away from the palace for so long.
Mom, I don't understand. What do you mean? I still have what?
Doing things yourself without needing anyone's assistance.
Oh, that.
Yes, that.
But Mom, I can do things myself. I don't like anyone doing things for me.
I see.
Yeah, that I'm a princess doesn't make me handicapped.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm so proud of you. Always remember that. So where is your brother?
So much. I think he's inside.
Right. I'd like to speak to him.
Okay, that's fine. Let me just take a walk.
Now tell me! Tell me one good reason I shouldn't pull this trigger on the both of you. Tell me! I told you to kidnap an unarmed lady. Unarmed lady! You couldn't! I told you to shoot on sight! You couldn't! What am I paying you for? Tell me, what am I paying you guys for? Say it one more time. Say sorry one more time. I swear to God who made you and I am going to drop you dead here and now. I told you how important it is to me to watch the entire royal family go down, starting from the princess. You heard the princess on sight. You couldn't do anything. You call yourselves my hitmen. Bastards! But failure! Failure! That's who you are! Failure! Bangladesh Lagoons. Bangladesh Lagoons! Idiots! Idiots!
Sir?
Ma, come here.
Okay, sir.
Why didn't you wash my hair?
Sir, I washed the car now.
Why didn't you brush this tire?
Okay. Tire, no need, sir. No need, you know say road bad. The road is very, very bad. It's nothing now, you just go and enter water again. And I will start from beginning the wash.
So who are you to decide for me?
No need, now see the car, the main thing don't they clean. This side no matter, na grand they go still match. You know really matter.
You know you're mad. Are you aware that sometimes you can be very crazy?
Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all.
No problem.
Sir?
Lie down.
My queen!
I said lie down.
My queen, your highness! Hey! 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 Hey, my queen! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Give it to me, okay? Give it to me!
Leave me alone.
Give it to me.
Wait first, just one.
Give it to me. Do you want to kill him?
Kneel down there.
Do you want to kill him?
The idiot did not wash my tires. I asked him and he was like, potter there outside. If you come out, you got dirty now. Are you sick?
Is that why you are flogging him? Please don't do that again.
Why are you to decide for me?
Ugeze, do not try that again.
All right, Mom, it's fine.
Anyways, I was looking for you.
I was on my way out. I need to go see a friend.
The maid showed me the clothes you wore yesterday, and there was blood stain on it.
The maid showed you my clothes?
Yes.
How can a maid be reporting a prince? Mom, are you sure it was my clothes they showed you?
Yes. And I was worried. Are you okay? Did you get into a fight with anyone?
No. I can't even remember how that blood stain got there. Oh, sorry, my bad. My friend's birthday was yesterday, so I escorted him to buy meat, like fresh cow. So I guess when they were butchering it, I got a blood stain there or something.
Please, mind the way you move around. Especially now that your father is gone. Please. And the security of this community is nothing to write home about.
Thank you.
No hiding place for you.
Sir? Okay, sir.
I have been trying to reach on the phone, but it's not connecting anymore.
My dear, you're worried over nothing. Calm down. Yeah.
How? I know Urena. She has never failed to return, even if she has any reason not to. Or even call me on phone.
Wait, you said she went to see the Prince of Iselu Kingdom, yeah?
Yes.
Wait, and you expect her to come like almost immediately? Hell no. No girl will go to see the rich prince and come back the next day. So calm down. She will come. Calm down.
I know Urena. She's not easily moved by wealth or affluence. I was the one that forced her to go on a date with the prince. Left for her, she didn't want to go.
For God's sake, why don't you just relax? She will be back. Eh? She has gone to flex, so like, trust me, she'll be back. Eh? I know she's fine, so just calm down. Calm down.
My own be say, let her call me. At least, let me know that she's alright. Eh? Now for how? I know just understand her these days.
Babe, you calm down first. Wait till you cook.
I didn't cook anything.
Smile.
Have you seen the alert?
Try. Yes, I swear this is more than I expected.
No, you did well. I'm impressed with what you did, so enjoy.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I'm really grateful for this.
What about the other staff that saw the girls' corpse?
Hey, my prince, you don't have a problem about that one. I I already arranged everything. I've done everything I'm supposed to do. If you even want save, I can still arrange more guests for you. My prince, I did for you.
Okay. Are you not aware that I lost my father?
You lost your father? That means now you are the king of this kingdom now, my prince.
Yes, very soon I will become the king of his solo kingdom. So I don't need women for now. Yes, I need to stay sober a little bit just to respect my late father.
Yes, my prince, that's true. I really understand. But no problem, my prince. Like I said, I'm always here for you. Anytime you need me, you just contact me.
Thank you very much. Don't worry, I'll let you know when I need to second.
Thank you very much.
Nice one. Thanks
You
for
go, my prince. You really impressed me. Oh.
Enjoy.
My prince.
Don't find you and that's your people. Come on. Kneel down. If you make me repeat myself. Why did you report the blood stain on my clothes to Queen Mother? What is MM?
I'm sorry.
Why didn't you tell me? Did you tell me?
No, my prince.
Is it her clothes?
No, my prince.
What is I? The cloth is mine. You should have reported it to me. Not running to the Queen Mother.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, you will be there till. In fact, remain here till after 4 hours.
The spirit is angry. You must confess.
My prince.
This is no
My
longer
prince.
funny at all.
My prince. Ewa. My prince. Lala. Princess.
The spirit is restless. The spirit is angry. The spirit is angry. You must confess. This is no longer funny at all.
Mom, baby, is everything okay?
Mom, are you sure Brother Ugeze is okay? Because the attitude he put up down there is quite suspicious.
Well, Noye, you know your brother and clubhouses are 5 and 6. I'm sure he learned that stupid dance steps from the club, though I've warned him not to step foot in such places again.
No, Mom, this is beyond going to the club. Yes, you know, I was watching him closely while we're eating. I can tell that something is bothering him.
Honestly, Noye, you always look out for your brother. And it's a good thing. I wish my brothers did the same for me. Keep up the love and care. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. But he's my only sibling.
Yes.
So
You're right.
it's my responsibility to look out for him. Mom, he's the next king of this our great kingdom. We need to, watch him closely and make sure nothing bothers him or weigh him down. He needs our support, always.
I understand. He knows what is at stake. And I'm sure he will not jeopardize it. Don't worry.
Okay, Mom.
That boy is a stupid boy. He has no respect. He has no regard for culture. Can you imagine that? He has no regard for me. He has no respect for me. For me.
Ezemo Biko Buto, calm down. You know that boy and his character. Biko Buto.
What business have I got? What business have I got with his dirty character? It does not concern me. I don't care. What gave him the audacity, the courage to speak to me, to talk to me in such a disrespectful manner? Can you imagine that? If I remember what happened yesterday, I feel like ending his life. Now, if he could do this, what becomes of him when he becomes the king of this kingdom? How do you think he will talk to our people? How will he address our people? When he has no regard for the chief priest of the kingdom and no regard for the tradition.
I noticed that in you, honestly. And that is why I am here to plead on his behalf that you temper justice with mercy. You know that boy? Or do you expect him to behave like his late father? He's still a small boy, Biko.
He is a wayward child. He is wayward. And such person, such human being is not worthy of having our crown on his head. Our noble crown cannot rest on such.
But you know what that means, Ezemo? That throne is his birthright that can never be denied him from anybody, not even you, Ezemo. Or do you want to change or destroy our tradition? I would not want you to behave like that boy that you are accusing. Tradition is tradition. Let's know how to do it, Biko.
Oh no. Tradition is tradition. And tradition tells us that what I watch the boy his attitude is dirty. He's so disrespectful. So, our noble crown cannot rest on such head. It is not possible. It is not possible. Ndo gen abia ya ndo jagba aka ya. Ndo jabia ya. Ndo do agba aka ya. Hi.
Brother, you know you can confide in me.
I said I'm fine and I need to be left alone.
Come on. A while ago at the dining, you looked really worried. It's written all over your face. Since when do you now keep things away from me?
I'm not a baby. When I say I'm fine, I'm fine. Let me worry about whatever it is now. I need to be left alone.
You know I love you, right? Okay, it's fine. Just know that you can always confide in me. If something is bothering you, I am here for you.
Listen, I am old enough to know when I have a problem. If I need to share or company, I will do that myself. You're bugging me. Let me be.
Shouting at me. You've never shouted at me before. It's okay, I will leave you.
No hiding place for you. Email hello. Keep up work. Boy feel no.
Dimpa. Ma? Machi told me that you are ready to leave the palace.
Your Majesty, not true. I don't tire. I can't do this anymore. I don't tire. I cannot continue working here. Because the prince wants to kill me. If you look at where you go, no say the prince get evil intention. He get bad mind the way I did. He want to kill me.
He wants to kill you.
Yes, sir.
How?
My queen, you say how? You know they use wireless camera, they see everything when they happen. You know they see Prince, anytime where Prince want to drive into this place, he must carry the car, carry the hand, come where they. He won't crush me. I don't see him, he won't crush me. Every time he go use motor, they pursue me. Even if he no get me, as I dey try make he no get me, he go come down, he go punish me, he go give me punishment. Sometimes he go slap me, they beat me up and down. I don tire. Abeg, make I no go die here. Make I carry my life come out here now where I still get am complete. Abeg, I'm the only son of a praying widow. Make the prayers of my mother now no go there in vain now because I dey work here. Abeg, I want to go.
Did you complain this to me, or you just decided to go with your bag?
Complain? My queen, if I complain, wetin go happen, pan? No be your son. Na your son, you go back am now. You go back am, you go only tell me sorry. If you break my leg now, you go tell me sorry, and life go continue. Abeg, make I go. This thing na matter of life and death. Make I dey go, abeg. Meanwhile, I dey only like work where I dey celebrated, no be where I dey tolerated. So I no like here too. I make I dey go. Abeg.
Dimba, I'm not letting you go because of the help you rendered during the time my husband was ill and died. I will give you till tomorrow morning to make up your mind. But if you decided to go, make sure you find a replacement.
Replacement? As in make I bring another person. If anything happen to Ramonko, blood go come down my head. I better go. My queen, now one thing go make me do. Because say you don't take style, beg me now. You can stay. You can wait till tomorrow. Give me till tomorrow to think about it. If not, my pride no go even let me. I too get pride. My pride for just come out here now and I go dey find another person. Even if you get another person, 2 months, you go take a search who be like me. Things are dey easy. Now one breed I be. One breed.
Young man, what you seek is impossible.
But no. But as a more, I can't see any difficulty in this. Yes. So long as you're not in support of the idea of this boy ascending the throne as a more, this makes it more easier for the both of us. The throne is mine.
Asino na babako kwa nwopu n'onu ọwa n'afa. Mana agbakọ kwa nwopu n'onu ọ ya ha wa n'afa. Your mother was not legally and formally married to this kingdom. So that makes you an illegitimate son and prohibits you from ascending the throne of this great kingdom.
I know. Yes, of course, I know that already. As a mama kana bodo kwa katako kenkita jisanyoko gagad noku otolopo jelisi misiampulanya. I have all it takes. I have the wealth. I have wisdom and knowledge to lead our people. Do this for me, and I will reward you handsomely.
Unfortunately, we don't discuss money here. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. Money is of the mortal. Things of the spirit are of the immortal. Besides, I am not a kingmaker. I'm only a seer, the mouthpiece of the God, the custodian of traditions of this great kingdom. So, there is not much I can do. Nothing, absolutely nothing. We are in a group.
Yes, yeah. Now I get the point. I will settle your group. Just tell me what it takes. How much money will it cost me to buy off your group for myself? I want your group to be solidly behind me because the throne is mine. I am not going to let it go for any reason. Is it about money? Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do and I will do it right away.
Greetings, sir.
Greetings, my dear. How are you?
I'm okay, and you?
I'm fine. See you fine girl. You feel like say they born you on Sunday. Abi?
Actually, yes.
Confirm. I know say people wey dem born on Sunday, their face they dey very sunny. If they say dem born you on Monday night, you go see your hair go be like this, like Monday hammer. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Wait, let me start by introducing myself. Well, my name is Dimpa. They call me Dimpa. Dimpa Chimeremeze Uchechukwu. One of the fine boys where they work for here.
Mr. Dim.
You say Dimpa. You can call me Dim.
Okay.
Or Papa for short.
Okay, Mr. Dim.
No, they call me Mr. No, they call, I never married. I'm still single and searching. Ready to mingle. That is if you are still single. We cannot tango. You got tango. You dey feed English. Everywhere.
Mr. Dim, I came to see my friend.
Mr. first.
Okay, Dim, I came to see my friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
No, here in a palace now. They know they see friend here. This is a palace.
Yes. My friend was here a few days ago. She came on a date with the prince. I haven't seen my friend since then. And her phone line has been switched off.
My dear, make I tell you, this is the palace of Igwe Udeju Okoli of Useli Kingdom. Your friend no fit come here.
I am talking about Prince Ugeze, his son.
Okay, now here, Prince Ugeze.
Yes.
The thing there is that Prince Ugeze is busy now. He's busy with the elders. He's having elders forum meeting. So you know go fit see him now. But I am your only access to royalty. That's in case you want to.
Wait, are you royalty?
You dey ask? No, which one be are you royalty? You know they see something. Make I tell you, everybody in this palace are royalty, including people where they come pick leaf. If they come pick grasses for this compound. Even as you dey now, if you waka enter here too much, you don't become royalty.
Really?
Now so we dey run am for here.
Please. Dimpa. Please. I want to see the prince. It's urgent.
You want to see the prince?
Yes.
Madam, you know they hear what? You know they hear everything what they tell you here. If you want to see the prince, you come inside the conde, AC, food, everything, wine. You can wine and dine here. They wait for him till he come
inside?
Out. Say my humble abroad. Then they call him humble abroad.
Please. Can I wait here? I want to see the prince. It's important I see him.
They know they wait here. If to say them they wait here, before you reach here, you don't see crowd. So many people go like come here, but nobody they wait here.
Okay, let me go inside.
Come first. If they go inside here, you know they go.
Allow me to go in, please.
Madam, come. They find you went out with your friend. When I did two Olosho, Prince carry one. They don't finish now, you won't call enter. No, when I shower up, you finish.
So, in preparation of your forthcoming coronation, my prince, we have sent messages to 4 kings to our neighboring kingdom. We're inviting them to partake of your coronation.
Yes, and we have made arrangement for different masquerade groups to come that day and grace the occasion.
Yes, sir.
Ajofia Newe na-abịa. Nkwankwa aka ndị izu ọgụ na-abịa. Oru mmụọ na nnụ ụmụ ojii na-abịa. Ijere ya abịa. Ụmụ obere mmụọ ụlaga na oriagidi ha ncha ya abịa. Nke nọ ebe ha na-agba egwu. Obodo aga mbọsị aha ọ ga-adị beru uke. Ife ga-akarị ibie.
Also, our women and children, they are seriously rehearsing, getting ready for a display of our cultural dance and drama. They just want to entertain the guests so well.
Your Majesty, that day will not be complete without enough unku. So we have contacted all the palm wine tappers, both inside and outside our kingdom. They should supply us the best of their product for that day.
Ndị nze na ọzọ requested that you will invite them that day. Debe ha n'ọnọdụ nke ha. Ịma na ha na-enwe special table. Debe isi ewu, isi efi, rice na nswallow. I
resemble who sent Ndinze Nozo. Gine and maybe Ndinze Nozo. Onye dika nebu na be, nke onye chiri yazelo. Listen, if they want to come, fine. If they are not coming, beautiful. Yes, now. Are you not aware of the insecurity around here? I can't move an inch for any useless meeting. If the meeting is so important to them, let them come here and see me. No, don't say that again.
Please, my prince, please don't say that, Biko. The coronation will never be complete without Ndinze Nozo.
Oh, you need them. Listen, I'd rather die than move an inch. I am a mountain. You can't move a mountain. If they love the meeting so much, or it's important to them, let them come here, we can see. There is insecurity, I can't move an inch. But if they are not comfortable, let them stay wherever they are. I love them as well. I can give you drinks, wines, beer. Step to them, let them have fun on my behalf. Must they come? Okay, go watch it. And maybe 4 years or years.
My prince.
Your spirit is angry, you must confess. This is no longer funny at all.
Prince.
Oh no.
My prince.
Spirit is restless.
Is it 2 days ago? You are still holding Prince. You are still holding me.
My prince.
What just happened now?
Huh?
What just happened? Huh? What happened?
No,
What just happened, bro?
Something happened.
What just happened?
Oh no.
A drunken Johnny.
I don't understand.
Oh no. What just happened now?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Is our king to be alright?
I go be today for midnight.
What are you watching?
And they watch your brother.
Brother?
From far.
Go to your GT post.
No, sir.
What is it?
I said go to your GT post.
Sorry, sir.
What is it?
Everywhere good. Everywhere good.
Busybody. What is it?
Please.
Any problem?
Everywhere good. You do alright. One love, you do okay. No wahala. You are sharp. You do okay.
No hiding place for you. Imelalo. Keep up work. Boy feel no. Chure ma di royal. Oh,